Oh no, not again. Oh no. Okay, nothing's good. Let's say drink this, I guess. Why do I keep on checking? Oh my gosh, I need to stop. Oh my gosh, I need to stop. Okay, there has to be something good in the fridge, yo. Yeah, there's nothing there. It's like bologna that's expired. There's dill slices. What? I don't like that. Why is it? Is that pickle? What? I don't like pickles. Oh. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know. It has to be something good, right? Like, I mean, there's like sparkling water and like, why is there jelly? I don't like jelly. And I don't know what to choose because like, there's nothing good. Is this Dorothy Lynch? Okay, bro. Okay. I don't really know what I'm cookie dough, but oh no. Maybe cookie dough? Cookie dough? Nah. Okay. Oh, yeah, I forgot. There's nothing good. What is there? I don't know what to choose. Wait a second. Is there actually something good in here? Like, it's this one food right there. Let me just. Would you be good to eat? I guess. Second thoughts, but no, I'll eat it.